Hey everyone, welcome back. You ever throw on a speaker expecting a party vibe, but all you get is thin sound, weak bass, and guests kinda nodding politely instead of actually feeling it? Yeah. That ends now. Before we go further, hit the first link below to check today's price. This model drops without warning and disappears just as fast when it does. I've been using the JBL PartyBox 720 for a few weekends now, backyard hang, rooftop evening, even a chill indoor movie night. And look, I've tried a bunch of party speakers that promise volume but collapse when the music really kicks. The 720? It delivers that full-body sound. Bass doesn't just hit, it rolls through you. Vocals stay clean, highs stay sharp, and it never feels harsh or dirty. It's the kind of speaker where people stop mid-conversation and go, "Whoa, what is that?" The lightshow surprised me too, not cheap flashing LEDs, but smooth, futuristic patterns that sync with the music. At night, it transforms the vibe instantly. And mobility? Wheels plus handle equals pointed wherever the energy needs to go. No drama. Performance-wise, it's the definition of turn it up and don't worry. Even at higher volume it keeps clarity, and outside it throws sound wide without losing punch. Battery life got me through a long afternoon into evening without stress. And that IPX4 splash resistance? Let's just say drinks were spilled and nobody panicked. Quick reminder, tap the first link now to see if it's on discount. When this thing goes on sale, it does not sit around. Feature-wise you get deep punchy bass, customizable EQ, light show controls, mic and guitar inputs if you want to get wild, and Bluetooth that connects instantly. Setup is basically plug, pair, and play. No apps you're forced into, no confusing menus, just music and energy on demand. Build quality feels premium and rugged. It's portable but serious, not a toy. If you host, DJ small gigs, tailgate, run outdoor workouts, or just want the loudest portable party system without renting gear, this is the move. Pros: heavy checkmark massive, clean sound with real bass impact. Heavy checkmark lightshow sets the mood instantly. Heavy checkmark portable with wheels and handle. Heavy checkmark long battery life and splash resistance. Cons: crossmark heavy, but worth it for the power. Crossmark not a small room speaker unless you like big energy. Final verdict: if you want a speaker that doesn't just play music but ignites a crowd, the PartyBox 720 is that upgrade.